Welcome to Review Rumble. The best food safe sealant is probably one of the most crucial choices you'll make when working with wooden surfaces that come into contact with food. Whether you're crafting cutting boards, butcher blocks, or wooden utensils, ensuring the sealant is food safe is paramount for your health and safety. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of food safe sealants, exploring what makes them safe and effective. Number 5. 13 Chef's 12-ounce food-grade mineral oil. This mineral oil meets food safety standards. It is colorless, odorless, tasteless, and gluten-free, ensuring it's safe for your kitchen. Use it to prevent cracking and drying of your cutting boards. It also restores knives and kitchen appliances, keeping them in top condition. The push applicator cap and squeeze bottle design make application simple. Just apply it generously with a rag and let it sit for a few hours. A single bottle can last for years. A small treatment every few months is all you need to maintain your cutting boards and other items. This 100% pure food-grade mineral oil undergoes regular safety testing. It is bottled in FDA-compliant facilities right here in the United States. What we like. This mineral oil is food-grade and made in the USA, ensuring safety and quality. It's also incredibly easy to apply, thanks to its push applicator cap. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to maintain your cutting boards and keep them food safe, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Food Safe Sealant for wood is a great product. It works as advertised. This sealant is perfect for wooden utensils. Number 4. Craft Resin 34-ounce Epoxy Resin Kit. Unleash your creativity with this premium clear epoxy resin kit. It allows you to create stunning pieces with a glass-like finish that won't yellow over time. It's perfect for various DIY projects. Tired of bubbles and uneven finishes? This advanced formula is an innovation in the epoxy resin market. It automatically releases air bubbles when warm, ensuring a flawless result. The recommended depth is 1/4 inch. This epoxy is made with low odor, non-toxic, and solvent-free materials. It's food-grade and safe for both home and professional use. It's harmless to you and the environment when used as directed. This crystal epoxy resin cures in just 24 hours, becoming rock-hard and scratch-resistant. It's also heat-resistant up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, 95 degrees Celsius. You'll get a crystal-clear, glassy smooth finish that lasts for years. This 2-part epoxy resin kit is simple to use, even for beginners. The kit includes resin, hardener, a reusable mixing stick, gloves, and a manual. Upgrade your resin projects and elevate your art with this kit. What we like. This epoxy resin offers a crystal clear, bubble-free finish, perfect for any DIY project. It's also food safe and heat resistant, making it versatile for various applications. If you are an artist or a DIY enthusiast looking to create stunning, durable pieces, this product is designed for you. What people say. Food Safe Sealant for wood is a great product for sealing wooden surfaces that come into contact with food. It is easy to apply and dries quickly, providing a durable and waterproof finish. The sealant is non-toxic and odorless, making it safe for use in food preparation areas. Number 3. WALRUS Oil Wood Wax 3-ounce can. This wood wax from Walrus Oil comes in a convenient 3-ounce can. It's designed to protect and enhance your wooden surfaces, keeping them looking their best. The wax is food safe, making it perfect for cutting boards and other surfaces that come into contact with food. You can use it with confidence knowing it meets FDA standards. It's not just for cutting boards, this wax can be used on a variety of wooden items. It helps to maintain the wood's natural beauty while providing a protective layer. The product is fully compliant with FDA regulations. This ensures that the wax is safe for its intended use and meets all necessary health standards. This wood wax is proudly made in the USA. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship of a product made with American standards. What we like. This wood wax is FDA food safe and made in the USA, ensuring both safety and quality. It's designed specifically for cutting boards, providing excellent protection. If you like a simple, reliable solution for maintaining your cutting boards, this is a great option. What people say. Food Safe Sealant for wood is a great product for sealing wooden surfaces that come into contact with food. It is easy to apply and dries quickly, providing a durable and waterproof finish. The sealant is non-toxic and odorless, making it safe for use in food preparation areas. Number 2. 13 Chef's Cutting Board Wax, 12 ounces. This premium conditioner is made with genuine beeswax, carnauba wax, and food-grade mineral oil. It's perfect for maintaining your wooden cutting boards, countertops, and utensils. The blended formula hydrates and restores wood, preventing cracks and warping. The beeswax creates a protective barrier, preventing water damage and stains. The built-in applicator cap makes it easy to apply the wax directly. Simply rub it in with a towel or your hands for quick and easy maintenance. One 12-ounce bottle can last for years, even with monthly use. A few squeezes are all it takes to restore and protect your boards, keeping them looking new. Founded by experienced chefs, this product is used in thousands of restaurants and home kitchens. We pride ourselves on safety, quality, and premium products. What we like. This cutting board conditioner combines beeswax and mineral oil for superior wood care. It hydrates and protects, preventing water damage and stains. If you have wooden countertops or butcher blocks that need comprehensive care, this product is ideal. What people say. Food Safe Sealant for wood is a great product. It works as advertised. The sealant is easy to apply. Number 1. Seal It Green Garden Box Sealer. Are you looking for a safe way to protect your garden beds and pet houses? This product is designed to do just that. It's plant-based and non-toxic, ensuring the safety of your plants and animals. This sealer is FDA food contact safe, making it perfect for raised garden beds. It's made with natural oils that penetrate deep into the wood. This creates a lasting bond to protect the wood for years. Unlike many sealers, this one contains no toxic chemicals. It won't leach into your soil or harm your plants. It's also great for pet projects like chicken coops and dog houses. This professional-strength sealer covers up to 200 square feet. It's used by professional growers and is safe for various projects. You can use it on birdhouses, feeders, and pet houses. Enjoy the pleasant, natural citrus scent. This is a key indicator of a 100% plant-based product. Avoid products with no scent or those using petroleum-based ingredients. Always choose safe ingredients for your gardens and pets. Avoid products with acrylics, polymers, or silicone. This product is plant-based and safe for areas where food is grown and pets play. What we like. This sealant is plant-based and FDA food contact safe, making it ideal for gardens and pet projects. It protects all wood types from water and weather damage. If you are looking for a safe, non-toxic solution for your raised garden beds or pet houses, consider this product. What people say. Food Safe Sealant for wood. I am sorry, but I lack the ability to process that request. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.